guys? We're doing a spam and eggs breakfast over on that LG Black Label grill coming up. What's up, guys? Welcome to CJ's Q. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber part of CJ's Q crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you can get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, sorry we got a little background noise today. The air conditioner's pumping. It's hot as heck out here in Southern California. We're starting a little early in the morning, so we're gonna do a little breakfast. Guys, this is a collaboration with a bunch of other barbecue channels. Click on that hashtag below, got spam. We're all giving you great ideas on how to cook spam on your grills outside, whether you're barbecuing, I'm making a breakfast today, or you know, whatever. So you guys make sure you check those out. All we're doing here is we got, you know, a few eggs, we got some potatoes already on the grill right now, just some regular chopped up potatoes I got in a bag. Threw some green bell peppers in there, a little salt, a little oil. So those are going right now. I have the spam already cut up. We got the eggs ready to go. We're gonna use a cast iron, little cast iron pan on the grill to get those eggs done once the potatoes and spam are done. And then we're gonna feast. All right, not much to this one. We have the LG grill set at 350. We're gonna open up that SearTech slide. We're gonna get some great grill marks on the spam, and then we're gonna eat. So this is gonna be a quick, easy video. Once you're done watching this, make sure you go and click on that hashtag #GotSpam and see everybody else's cook too. All right, nothing left to do but to get to it. Let's get over to the grill. Let's check out the potatoes. They're looking pretty good. Getting nice and golden brown and delicious in there. All right, so we're gonna move these over to the side. Shut down the SearTech for now. Get our cast iron heating up in there. Get that heated up. We'll get our eggs on there and then our spam. All right, y'all, butter's going. Let's throw the eggs in. Got one that broke. Oh well, it happens. Get it swirled around a little bit. We're gonna move these off to the side. They're gonna cook pretty fast in this cast iron. All right, time to get the spam on. Spam will cook up really quick. I'm gonna add a little spicier from Uncle Steve. All right, let's give him a flip. All right, everything's coming up good. Let's get this in the house and give it a try. All right, guys, we're done. Got the spam off the grill. You know it adds a certain extra flavor to it when you get them grill marks on there. I'm gonna try I'm gonna dip it in my little egg yolk right here, 'cause I'm crazy that way. Cheers. I don't understand why people knock spam. This stuff's damn good. Give this a try for yourself. Make sure you click on that hashtag below, got spam. Check out the other videos. Comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you want anything I use in my videos, there's links down below. They're all affiliate links, don't cost you anything more when you use them, but it helps out the channel. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for queuing with CJ. Take care.